Okay, so you want to zip a folder and send it in an email as an email attachment. So here are the steps. First things first, find the folder, right click on it. Since I have Windows 11, I can click compress to zip right here. And mine do it that way, but if you have Windows 7, like an earlier version, so when you right click on yours, you're going to get this, see this here, and then you want to go to send to and compress zip folder, and it does the same thing. So the newer versions, like I said before, compress to zip is right here. When you see that there, you just click right on it. But for the older versions, you will see this with the send to, and then you just compress zip folder, and that's it. In order to send it as an email attachment, you just simply go to your email, drag it right in there, and drop it in the web upload on its own, and then you can put who you're sending it to and send it off. Now in the event if the file is larger, it would turn it into a link for the person to click on. You will get that message, and then you say okay, got it, and it will convert to a Google Drive link for the person can get it and download it. But you got to make sure you got the settings set up for them to download it. So when a person gets it, they'll be able to download it to their computer. So you should see this in your Google Drive. Quick, take a look. There it is right there. And we want to go over here. Take a look. Manage your access. So I would suggest if you are sending a large file, you should just upload it directly in there. And I can take care of it itself. So I'm just going to delete this for a minute. I'm just going to upload it right in here. And so I'll go home. Close this window. You can literally click and drag them on here. To drag them to the body of the thing here. Okay, that's uploaded. You can go to recents, share it. Type in email address. Before you do that, you make sure actually you just set it to viewers and they should be able to download it and print. So they should see the option to download too if it's just for viewers. Editors, they can change permission to share with other people. So if you need it to be shared with other people, you have to click that one. If you're just sending it to one person, then they can view it and they can download it. If you don't do none of that, you won't do anything. So make sure it's set to that, whichever settings you use. Then also copy the link and paste it in the email too. And that's it.